What up, guys? So I actually quit my job, quit it last week on the 9th. So around Christmas, found out that we were having another baby. I was making good money in the field I was working at, but I don't feel like there was a whole lot more money I could make without going back and getting my master's degree. And I just wasn't willing to do that. And after I had a 2-week paid vacation from work, I got a lot accomplished in that 2 weeks because I didn't have a job to worry about. Finding out we had another baby on the way really kicked me into overdrive. So I made this decision. Me and my family made this decision. Me and my network made this decision. It was well thought out. We have some backup plans, but I don't think we'll need it. I posted this on Reddit and they were not very kind about it, but some people gave me some very good constructive criticism, and I've taken that to heart, and I've already made some changes to different things because I'm still learning too, right? Like I have a good understanding of how the brain works. Been in the behavioral health field for a while. So like I have a good understanding of what it takes to accomplish certain goals, right? Because I've accomplished a lot in my life and I know what kind of mindset I needed to make that happen, right? So if this works out, we'll be so happy we did it. And if it don't work out, all right, I'll go back to the field I was in. Not a big deal. I'm where I started anyways, except for I have more education. I'm trying to get like a group project together for anybody that's on the Discord that wants to practice working as a team. To be able to put that on a resume, I feel like that'd be good. I'm laying out the bare bones for that project. If you want to get to that, go to the Discord. There's information over there on how you can get in this project and build some more real world experience. We'll be working on a real local business's webpage. It's for free. This will be more for getting an understanding what it's like to work as a team on GitHub. Someone recommended that was something they wish they would have worked on more, was learning how to work as a team with other people on one project. So that's something I want to do. We're going to do that. If you want to join, go to the Discord. So now I'm treating this like a job. I'm trying to clock in, 6 to 10 hours a day, learn as much as I can, network as much as I can. So if anybody out there is really good with resumes or LinkedIn profiles, I could really use your assistance. Reach out to me in the comments. What'd you guys think about the Goofy video, the how to open a door? I'm thinking about doing some more of those as a short. Let me know down in the comments on that as well. I'll try to do regular updates on this. I'm studying full time. I'm networking full time, and I'm going to secure a web development job within the next 4 to 5 months. So yeah, let's find out how this works out. I'll try to update you next week. Peace.